What is that? It's huge. I know what that is. Wait. I know what it is. I know what is here. My friends, it is bike parts. Ooh. Look at the beautiful box of bike stuff from Dean Speed. How neat. How neat. I've been waiting for you. You're going on there. That'll be a video.
Hey, Father Bobber here. If you're new to my channel, thanks for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, I love you. Today, we're going to be installing the Dean Speed 20-inch Sissy Bar on the rear of my Indian Scout Bobber 20. We will also be reinstalling the passenger seat, this time with no backrest. We have to take off the saddlebag, the fender supports, and get to it. For pretty much every bolt on this thing, you're going to need a number 6 Allen key. And then for the passenger seat, that bolts on underneath the fender supports with 4 hex head bolts. So let's take the saddlebag off, shall we? We shall. Are these Father Bobber stickers? They are. If you want a sticker, hit me up. I got them. Or else you meet me on the road. Because then I'm like, hey, I got stickers in the old bag here. Have it. Have some. Bag is off, as well as fender support. I'm gonna have to clean that. That's a dirty boy. That is a dirty boy.
I'm not dirty.
Now we have to take off the other side. Would you guys like to help?
Yeah. Yes.
Come, children.
I'm right here. I'm Daddy.
Let me loosen it up for you. Get that out of the way. He just popped the seat off. What a crazy man. Yeah, that's it. That's the stuff. That's the ticket. Okay, don't be touching my stuff with your booger hands. Go on. You go somewhere. Jep, you hold this.
All right.
Go wash your hands, booger boy. Okay, now just lay that gently, and we will have to clean that one as well. Oh God, yeah, that's right. So we gotta put this feller on here, this way, like so. So I'm going to just gently set that in place.
Pass it on it.
No. Passenger seat takes 4 hex head 13mm bolts. Just bolts right under these fender supports here. There are 4 holes. So, shall we? Children, you can hand me the bolts. No, don't mix them all up. Just these ones. Get them nice and tight like a toiga. Tight like a toiga. A toiga? The tight like a toiga. All right. Seat is on. Oh shit, handle is secure. No, did you? This part might be difficult because I'm going to have to hold all 3 things at the same time and keep them lined up. while I have this stuff off, I'm going to show you the holes for the mounting. With the fender support off, you can see where the seat mounts to. And these holes, once you line it back up, is where the fender support goes. And this here is the fender support. Very good. Same on the other side. Let's come around. Holes here, and here, and fender support holes. Do you see? So those empty holes are where the Sissy Bar and the fender supports and the saddlebag go into, all at the same time. That's why we're going to do this other side first, because I don't have to hold the saddlebag up while I put this side on. I might have to recruit a child for this. We'll see. These are the bolts that came with the Sissy Bar. They are 5/16 2 inches, and they have this spacer bushing thing on it. Let's have 2 of those bad boys right here. I need a child. Hold that. Hold it very still. Very still, please. Thank you. That's not very still. All right. No. Just set it down for a minute. Just not on the paint.
On what?
All right. We have one.
Okay.
One in.
Why didn't we do this the other time?
I was getting too frustrated and we just... God! We don't have one. All right, one side is done. Yep. Let go, see what happens. Perfect. Very good. For side 2, I had to go get longer bolts, but then I realized I already had longer bolts in my saddlebag. So we'll see if those saddlebag bolts work. If not,
New saddlebag?
I will have to make some alterations. We'll see if this will be long enough.
Oh, it's a saddle.
Definitely not. Not long enough at all. So we'll cut these down to size. Now we'll see how we do. My favorite, Squirt, grapefruit soda. Squirt, if you would like to sponsor me, I drink a crap ton of this stuff. Squirt. It's what's for dinner. Where's that bushing? I would lose my head if it wasn't screwed on tight. Where's that other bushing? So maybe if I put enough force on it. Oh crap. I didn't put the bag on. But I think with enough persuasion, that thing's gonna go. And by golly, she goed. And that's on there. That did her. So, darn it. I still need to find that other bushing. Bushing, where are you? Is Blue's Clues still like a thing? Can you see my butt? Man, we're so close. It's literally the last thing I need. I didn't put it in my jacket pocket and take it to a meeting. Christ on a cracker. Ah, I found it. Hold on. Now, how can I... Ooh, I fit right down in there. Okay. Now, where's the other bolt? Are you kidding me? No, don't open those. Those are... We still have pickles inside. This one's going to be difficult, and I don't want to strip out the thread. I cannot see this. You know, she looks good, but at what cost? Just so you know, this thing is never coming off. If you buy my bike and you don't like it too damn bad, you're buying it too. I'm charging you for it. Just lining it up is not the easiest, and holding everything in place. It's kind of a bear. I think it's in. That's what she said. Damn it. Not in. Was just a smidge in, I think. Maybe just the tip. Come on, you dirty thing. That's all she needed. What do I do with my wrench? What the hell do I do with my wrench? Is it still not in? It was in. I'm about to just freaking leave it like this. Come on, you good thing. Yep, she is getting tight like a toy gun. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes, thank you, aliens. Wonderful. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to clean up the shop and we'll get some pictures and stuff of it. How's that? All right.